Good afternoon, dear students. Welcome to the online class of English. Today I am going to start chapter 5th, 100 dresses 1 from your book, The First Flight. We have already learned the half portion of this chapter. Now I am going to start from page number 66. Peggy was not really cruel. She protected small children from bullies. Bullies mean the children who misbehaved with others. And she cried for the arts if she saw an animal mistreated. It means if anyone mistreat with any animal. If anyone with mistreat any animal, she cried for arts. Means and do you think that she is cruel way to treat Wanda? She would have been very surprised, cruel. Means if she is cruel to Wanda, she must be surprised for it. Okay, what is the real problem? Why she is cruel to Wanda? Why she was cruel to Wanda? What is the problem there? Why she was behaved like that? And she would be sorry. Why did the girl say she had 100 dresses? Why did she tell a lie? And anybody could tell that that was a lie because she wears faded blue dress daily. If she had 100 dresses, why didn't she wear daily new dress? Why did she wear same dress daily? Means she thought that this is a lie. And why did she want to and she wasn't just an ordinary person, else why did she is like an ordinary person, she is like an ordinary girl. Why did she have a name like that, Wanda Pentronsky? Why did she have different kind of name? Why didn't she have name like Thomas, like LA, same name like the others, nicknames like others? Why did she have Wanda Petronsky? इतना means बड़ा name उसका क्यों है? So that is why she misbehaved with that girl. Anyway, they never made her cry. As far as for Maddie, their business of asking Wanda every day how many dresses, how many hats, and how many this and how many that had she had bothering her. Means she always disturbed that girl by asking how many dresses do you have, how many pairs of shoes do you have, how many hats do you have, how many so and so do you have. They asked really from different kind of questions. Maddie was poor herself. Peggy was a rich girl, but Maddie was poor herself. She was like Wanda, but she was American. Wanda was Polish girl. Maddie was American, and Maddie was a poor girl herself. She usually wore somebody's hand-me-down clothes. Hand-me-downs means old clothes. Second hand clothes, the clothes that were wore by anybody else, and after that were given to other person. She always wore the second hand means old clothes. Thank goodness she didn't live up on Boggins Heights. The main reason why she was escaped from by torturing by others, she did not live in Boggins Heights and or have a funny name, and she did not have funny name like Vanda Potronsky. She was also poor girl. She always wear the second hand clothes, but she did not live in Boggin Heights, and she did not have any funny name. That is why she was scared from girls to make fun of her. Sometimes when Peggy was asking Wanda those questions in that mocking polite voice, mocking means fake, make fun of that girl. Means when Peggy was making fun of that Wanda, Maddie felt embarrassed. Embarrassed means ashamed. Maddie felt embarrassed means Maddie felt ashamed and studied in the marbles in the palm of her hand, rolling them around and saying nothing herself. She did not say any word to Peggy because she thought that if she told Peggy, don't make a fun of that girl, she will find her problem, she will find her weakness, the weakness that she was very poor, and she would make fun of that girl. That is why she did not tell her any word, she did not say her any word, she did not have any courage to say Peggy about her problems. Not that she felt sorry for Wanda exactly. She did not feel sorry for Wanda. She would never be paid any attention to Wanda if Peggy did not had not invented the dresses game. Means she did not ask Peggy not to disturb that girl, but suppose Peggy and all others started on her next. She wasn't as poor as Wanda, perhaps, but she was poor. She was not very poor, but she was poor. She was not very poor, but she was poor. Of course, she would have more senses than say she had 100 dresses. She did not say 100 dresses. Means she always wears the old dresses. Still, she old dresses of Peggy. Still, she wouldn't like them for them to begin on her. She wished Peggy would stop teasing Wanda Petronsky. She always wished that Peggy must not disturb, must not make fun of that girl, must not make fun of Wanda. She always thought, she always felt sorry for that girl. She has really sympathy towards Wanda Petronsky. Today, even though they had been late to school, Maddie was glad. She had not had to make fun of Wanda. Means they were late. She thought कि they means Peggy could not make fun of Wanda Petronsky. She worked for arithmetic problem absent-mindedly. Means absent-mindedly she worked for her math work 8 times 8. 8 times 8, let's see. She wished she had to nerve to write Peggy a note. She wanted to write a note to Peggy, but because she knew she never would have the courage to speak right out to Peggy. Means she did not utter a word in front of Peggy, so she want to write a letter to Peggy. Why to she want to write it? Don't make noise, make fun of that girl. Hey Peg, let's stop asking Wanda how many dresses she had. She want to write to Peggy. He did not say ask her how many dresses do you have. When she finished her arithmetic, she did start note to Peggy. Suddenly she paused and shuddered. She pictured herself in the schoolyard, a new target of Peggy and the girls. Now she imagined, if Peggy will make fun of me, how did I treat with them? How did I feel the problem? How will I do when they make fun of me? She has a picture. She means thought herself. She imagined herself. How could she face the people in the school? Now she imagined herself as Wanda Petronsky. Peggy might ask her where she got a dress that she had on. Means if Peggy know that how many dresses I have really, I wear the second hand dresses. If Peggy want to know about my own status, if she know I am a poor, I wear second hand dresses, but will she say me in front of other children? How the other children could make fun of me? How will I treat with others? How will I face the problem in front of other girls? And so that she would have to say it was one of Peggy's old dresses. She always wears the Peggy's old dresses, and Maddie's mother had tried to disguise me, want to change the design of that dresses, those dresses that was by trimming so and so on one in room 13 would recognized it. Means she changed the design of the dresses of Peggy, and Maddie wears the same dresses that were old dresses of Peggy. She wears the old dresses of Peggy, and her mother changes the design of those dresses. That is why in room number 13 nobody can recognize the dresses of Peggy. If only Peggy would decide her to on accord to stop having fun with Wanda. Oh well, Maddie ran her hand through her short blonde hair as though to push the uncomfortable thoughts away. If means if Peggy stopped to make fun of Wanda, she would feel relaxed. What difference did it make? What is the difference between the Wanda Petronsky with other girls? Slowly, Maddie tore into bits and notes she had started. She was Peggy's best friend, and Peggy was the best liked girl in the whole room. She was means Maddie was the best friend of Peggy, and Peggy was the most popular girl in the class. Peggy couldn't possible do anything that was really wrong, she thought. Means Peggy belongs to a rich family. She could not say thought that okay, how the people have to, how the poor people live in the society, how they have to deal with the, how means she belonged to aristocratic family, she belonged to rich family, she don't know the problems of the poor people, so she cannot understand the problem of Wanda Petronsky because she belonged to rich family. She don't know how the poor people live in the society. As for Wanda, she was just some girl who lived up of the Boggins Heights and stood alone in the schoolyard. Means Wanda, she was just some girl. Means she was the only girl that belongs to Boggin Heights, and alone in the school she was alone. She scarcely ever said anything to anybody. Means anybody means she did not say a word to anybody. If the people make fun of her, she did not say a word. She did not utter a word against the people, against the students. Maddie remembered her telling about one of her dresses, pale blue with color trimming, and she remembered another that was brilliant jungle green with the red sash. You had looked like a Christmas tree in that, the girls had said in pretended admiration. Thinking about Wanda and her dresses, Thinking about Wanda and 100 dresses all lined up in a closet, Maddie began to wonder who was going to win the drawing and coloring contest. Means there was a contrast, there was a coloring contest. Means when she thought about the Wanda Petronsky, when Maddie was thought about the Wanda Petronsky, she imagined that girl. She thought that 100 dresses she had made lined up in her closet, and she began to thought about who was going to win the contest, drawing and coloring contest. Means she thought that who will win the competition. And for the girls contest consisted of designing dresses. There were a competition. The girls have to participate in dress designing, and boys for the designing of the motor sports. Girls have to participate in dress designing, and boys have to participate in designing motor boards. Probably Peggy would win the girls medal, and she thought that okay, Peggy will win the girls medal. Why? Peggy drew better than anyone else in the room. Means Peggy's drawing was best in the class. At least that is everybody thought. Every student thought that Peggy must win the contest. She could copy a picture of magazine of same film stars had, so that she could means she make the portrait of any film star. She make the same design of the magazine. She was very good in the drawing, so the students thought that she must win the contest. Oh, Maddie was sure Peggy would win. Maggie thought that Peggy would win the contest. Well, tomorrow the teacher was going to announce the winners. Then they had no. Means the next day there will be a result of the contest, and they know that who will win the contest. Obviously, Peggy will win the contest because she was good in drawing. The next day it was drizzling. Drizzling means light rain. Mary and Peggy hurried to school under the Peggy's umbrella. Means they rushed toward the school. Naturally, on a day like this, they did not wait for Wanda Petronsky on the corner of the Oliver Street. Means they most of the days they waited for Wanda Petronsky on the Oliver Street, on the corner of the Oliver Street, the street that far away under the railroad track and up the hill. The street, the Oliver Street, that was that was at the railroad tracks and up the hills led to Wogan Heights, that the path that was going to Wogan Heights. Anyway, they weren't talking chances on being late today because today was the important. Today was important because it was the day of the result of the contest. Next, we will see who will win the contest in the next lecture. Thanks. I hope you must understand. Thanks. Have a nice day.